Ebusian aha Ghana Nsem TV GH mesero like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime video be this way, you upload ya usambe can be.
Me did go for waakye. Me missing ewo Manso Adobia Construction. But boss ni free but aha na age me bia. Empire boss Bawumia Ay3. Oba ni anum kutu ani mamu. Education ni ne mangere ko bitna ye no aye. Say o manu seni ekono Galamsey some phone so ndie no kore some phone sase to bituma ba no oba blend to anu krama ya ni
also Dr Bawumia Ay3 Dr Bawumia
mra onu ona sia obi ahia no onu sia obi ahia mesi fu kapita fu onu obi ahia no
si lusu Dr Bawumia
ma lusu ade bebre
ada papa
you frame Jessimo if you more member of MPP
polling station coordinator and electoral coordinator. Electoral coordinator.
Yes. It is a Manso Adobia film. Masagi the brain. And the grandma said, Obeba, Omana, why? Come on, have a fat education, have a fat. I'm a pharmacy, so you're pharmacy. What to you? So the benefit crap about the bar say, Oba one pharmacy, what to or Lucia. Gala was over by Gala or Lusu, what be our failure. And dear, maybe dear, the relation said, near Bawumia, me papa. The river just Bawumia bar, there many bad children, papa. Oh, yes, Christ of divinity. You wish I for Bawumia divinity.
I'll tell Bawumia also does.
Amen.
Papa, MPP. Primaries are able to on the 31st January. Why now? What to about the amount?
Meto Mabama, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
About to Abama, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Primaries here, you could.
Meto Abama.
The didn't Papa, about to about the amount Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
The remember to Abama and say, oh no, your tone dada. The NDC for him one. Who can we dada? Women have some beer, women were born in charge. Kowe ya 2028 election. Nti mituma no a minim se wono na afi so wasa wo 41% aho. 9% pe no wo pe aka ho. Ye na ye tuma no 41% no yesu ye da so ho. Ye wu ye be sa to nti dole wo mo a ya ka ho no wo mbe ba be to aka ho. Ma na ye 51%.
Number was no more, and she who will be obeying that can say, Yanni, ye Manso, one crack it 2 years, say, yes, we're still full and it is young to Abama. You couldn't walk around to Abamani, Eddie, no here, yet you know Bawumia, and best Abani to Abama.
Femi Barkis, Bawumia. Now, Brazil. Ni jidie ni nani so ade huna wo man no ne do a wo de ma enipa ne nkasa ye mumpu na no kasa kula ne kome because wo buro wa ho blase e ma nipa eni nti e na me drum se ne pese ne to
Bawumia so da was.
One day Ghana Gas boy chairman. Ghana Gas pipeline bi na maso ya. Ya be ask wait for her. Na ni bana wo kan from Kumasi ya ti ya pro ko san ko Kumasi e ko di Japan me pa so hu ni na dwuma bi wo kwa bi ho wo bi be president enye ni bottom scout and what dey dey ebu o man the taxpayers money and right me woni ascend me Kumasi
don't pay ti dan na mo fie na me me man e ka se sisi ano ye di papa Bawumia akọ ye hunu enti wone Kennedy no ibisa nkola nsa ebe yende okra ba guse ma eti se sa mo sa akọ foforo se mo sa to foforo ma no mo kọ vie ma ebe yeye me se brade ye da wase enti kiti di se ebe yeye
Abusian for so President Mahama US here. I think for the past 3 days now you were in a meeting or any other programs or or attending na or kasa wakasa bebre but there is this striking thing me jidi se Ghana for bebre and chain or margin insi so me pese me twe margin insi so You see, and come here kwa say, they be a President Mahama obetu kwa kwa aye amonone. Na one nkrofo eba kwa kasa afa eye Ghana, ye economy under President Akufo-Addo ne eye Dr Bawumia. It does appear say obusafo no eno nimsasafo no mu nimunyansa o ma adwene modo nti wo ka no kore no ankasa kire omo. Yes, mobaka ya President Mahama okoshia students of Harvard University. Or can a credit say challenges that you face here under President Akufo-Addo and Dr Bawumia, it was solely due to COVID-19 and Russia and Ukraine war. Wasanya kwa kusisa semi so ewo UN or meeting or mo US and wababy. Now I say COVID-19 I rudi against I am making to the sense Edi wohia ya konye for 2 decades, 20 years, yeah, people here for 20 years, you know. I rode that against me now, as I say, here, I cripple into the Ghanaian society. Now, you see, or can't say the same way. Actually, Oma boom, not doing so many answer, but Oba Ghana pet, no be blame about me. Oba Ghana pet, no be blame me MPP for. Oba Ghana pet, na NDC for na Zebi or margin in your money, Munyansa, Munsuya, dear no. Now about the country almost say about me and say economy. No more so more than social media. No more can. To the extent say Yankasa MPP for be especially can Japan. Any a pump for the followers, any other aspirants. No more so more than them. Now you see Yanko Pon ye see naturally. Dr Bawumia or not Nakume mu fine another summa MPP and your mind Ghana. Obia said we need to feel when you say problem a Ghana economy ne cool mono, Dr Bawumia, and then the fault, I don't know the COVID by, and don't know the global economic crisis nearby. In fact, he worked hard to make sure that Ghana is where it is right now. And Bank of Ghana can send mutum say Dr Bawumia and economic recovery across any economic gains are in CD, any inflation in the account, aka yenya sadeno. And God will always vindicate Dr Bawumia. God will always exonerate Dr Bawumia from the vile propaganda. And he said, be untrue. I've
gone now. Galamsey yes own the politics. Council of State, Mr. President knows. Everybody knows the kind of people who are there. That you find the people in there. The executive, they are there. Parliament, they are there. The only place where they are, in fact, even the media, some of them own the media. Yeah. Where's our hope? If Mr. President will not do it, it's okay. I'm tired. I've suffered under every government. You guys can come and punish me. It's okay. Somebody should die for something. Omani, my brother, he died for something. But his own people cannot even make what he died for even count. They are thinking that they've raised 3-something million or 6-something million using government donations and all that blah, blah, blah. To use that to mask and say, I'm thinking of your family. That's the small thinking that you people have. Nothing. Small thinking. You think you give people money and that is it. It's not just for what he wants. He wants you to transform this country. That's why Omani would have been a fine president. Please, we should stand for something. If you're an NDC man and this is happening, talk to your people. Stand out. You should have honor. You can't be an MP with reasonability, with mandate, with allegiance to the Constitution of Ghana. And you see this and keep quiet and come and have the audacity to come and even discuss the fact that the president never used the word state of emergency. Nonsense. Do you have a heart?
Sami Jamfi, me can't say we natural. Sa Galamsey issue now started yen. Me, sa now started yen. You mubi your mining area. Near him say, would you stop put Galamsey without some create employment? If I'm a you to know. Now you but who be Jina ho, a chant trod to another cocoa near MPP Banso. To say, don't let Galamsey buy. And now Baba Cash say, Galamsey have been there for a decade. Galamsey have been there for a decade. It means, say, President Mahama. Who President Mahama na the first term next say wo honum but they are tronia dada na be di ku MPP for so I say o kasa politics na wo ye no asem bi e be firi onu ma ba bia just yan ka bibia ne fa gi to mi firi nkofo sami javi wa dwene so nsi obi o politics e ba atoro betimi ha ya ne atwa ntoro ni bi enti jai wo ye no ne kan no kore fa kire Ghana for ne jai so ase wa fa se Ghana for te se dia adwene mu tiri no sami javi Abusan, your foreign affairs minister Samuel Okudzeto Abrakwa. Akache say, nkofo mu Ghana kwatena baby mu 8,000 ba. Nkofo ni say who oboa emu 8,000 bi amra. Ewa abla me no ka say minister say o sen gi nipa 40 efri America asaba. Na mi busa say Ghana you will security tight echen America. E de na e watch America won wo deport obi a ye de ye say kwa akwaje aba. Eno kra fa Ghana ho bai. I say kwajo aba. A Ghana fo nipa mako 12,000 and something or more Ghana kwatro bi man so na de ye ntimi for mo mafi. Busa ho sa question no. Busa ho sa question who did the kind of reset na a ban we so oba be no Ghana ha say.
I'm so disappointed about President Mahama. And I will say it without any fear. I thought his second coming is to set Ghana. After all, you've gotten all what you want in politics. Give us that peace of mind, at least. That the water we are drinking, the water we are, when you open our taps at home, the water that we have, at least we can trust that at least for nothing at all is wholesome. What are we witnessing now? That the amount of money we are getting from gold is supporting the economy. This statement made me feel sad than anything. Mr. President, he's not only selling gold, he's selling people organs. He's selling children and people organs. It's simply stated. Because for me, we have the opportunity now. The president have the opportunity now to redeem us. Look, gone are the days when you go to the villages, when they are going to their farms. Who are you to carry water from home to your farms? Like how? Because we have water bodies that are clean. Now people go to farms with this so-called pure such water. You will meet somebody going to farm and they have this such water in their to farms. So I know that they can do better. But for the sake of the generation, for the sake of our case, they shouldn't focus on the profit margin they are getting from gold. No. They shouldn't. No matter, you can look, if the previous government have even issued lances or whatever, with the power in president, you can just cancel everything. Just call for state of emergency on all water bodies. Let's have another review because proper mining can be done. Look, the level of mercury in our water bodies and in our farmland is getting worse every day. And you think it's a political issue? You think we must put on political color before we can defend it? No. I wish people would listen to most of the radio stations and the television discussions during the days. And now the agenda has become like state of emergency in our water bodies. And I think the people they've done enough. If the president will listen, that's fine. For me, I believe he doesn't have the political will. That is the main problem. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter how much amount of demonstration, how much amount of word the people will say, you will still insist that we are getting enough gold, we are getting enough money to back in the economy. So hell to people who are saying state of emergency. Because amazingly, that's what I'm saying. Those who have, if you give any of the political appointees platform today, they will tell you, we've not exhausted all our measures yet. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It's sad. Currently, go to most of our agric or farm zones. The rainfall pattern. I was at Kenya Sea where Newmont mines operate. Look, I felt so sad. Food Gone are the days you go around Gosu, Kenya, Ahavu area. Food used to be so cheap. Foodstuffs. Now go and see. Go and see. They've come alongside to Sunyani, and look, everything around that environment now is expensive. I believe a time has come, the government has to pull up, let the people, because you have the power, let the people know that no, enough is enough. At least 8-9 months, they've gotten enough. Ceasefire now, and let there be a train. If they can organize training for mine, that's fine. But until then, they are in the water bodies, they are in the forest reserve, they are doing a lot and worse than the previous. So, Sandy, I don't know, because for me, wow.